Morning students, today we will discuss lesson number 16 time. Firstly, look at this clock. It is having how many numbers? It is having 12 number on its faces. And each number still hours. Clear? And when we move from one number to another number, it completes 60 minutes. See, if I am moving from 12 to 1 or 1 to 2, it means that we are completing 1 hour, and this 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So it will complete 60 minutes. Clear? So this hour hand complete one round in 12 hours. If it wants to complete 2 rounds in 1 day, so how many hours it takes? It takes 24 hours. Clear, students? And it is having 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. How? Because you are able to see in this there are 60 divisions. Small lines are there, like this one, small line. From one number to another number, there are total 5 division. And 12 to 1, how many divisions are there? 5. 1 to 2, again 5. So total becomes 10. So that's why, students, we will consider every number as 1 we multiply by 5, 2 we multiply by 5 again. Like this manner, with every number we multiply with 5, because total there are 60 division. And from one number to second number, there are 5 equal division. Clear? So total division of this clock is 60. So that's why 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Clear, students? Now, students, we talk about second one hand, that is the longest hand. See here, this is the longest hand, students. Clear? And this is called minute hand. Clear? And minute hand completes 1 round in 1 hour. Clear? Now we talk about third one hand, which is the smallest and thinnest hand. It is a long hand, but it is the thinnest hand. Clear? This hand completes 1 round in 1 minute. Clear? 1 complete round, if it takes in 1 minute. Clear this thing? Now, student, we talk about how to write time. But before that, we discuss some important points. As I already told you, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Clear? Now we talk about more things. Now listen. As you all know, 1 month is having might be 30 or 31 days, because some months of a year is having 30 days and some are having 31 days. And there is one special month which is having 28 or 29 days. Clear? Now, we talk about 1 year is having how many months? 1 year is having 12 months. This thing every student knows, because we are doing from the smaller classes this thing that 1 year is having 12 months. Now, 1 week is having how many days? 7 days. So, which days are these? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These all are 7 days of a week. Clear? Now, student, we will discuss how to read and write time. Clear? In different ways. First, you have to learn that when we have to write hours, we have to see the numbers. Clear? Like if I want to write the time of this, what will be the time? Last year also you have done. You have to see firstly the smaller hand, means shorter hand you have to see. It is between 2 and 3. So we will write 2. Clear? After that we have to write colon, and after colon we write minutes. So now see, minute hand, which is the biggest hand, it is on 8. So we will write it 40, because minutes, you know that there are total 60 divisions. So if it is on 8, we will consider it 8 5s are 40. So how many minutes are there? 40 minutes. So answer will be 240. Clear? Now, student, I will firstly let you know what is the difference between a past and to. And with the help of that, we will understand how to write a time in 2 or 3 different ways. Clear? Now see, when we take left hand side number means 6 to 12. I am talking about to and past. When we take the number from 6 to 12, clear, we always consider it 2, clear, and 12 to 6 we will consider it past, clear. Clear this thing? What is the difference between past and 2? It is called 2, clear, and this one is a past. Clear this thing? This is 2 when we write a time in words. So when the biggest hand means we have to see the minute hand. If it is between 6 to 12, so we will write at that time 2 word, and if it is between 12 to 6 we write a time in words, but we will mention the word past, clear. And one more thing I just want to tell you, that if it is on 6, if the minute hand is on 6, we will consider it half, because 30 minutes passed, and when 30 minutes passed, you know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, means 60 minutes is a full 1 hour. So if half hour we will cover, it means that we have covered 30 minutes. So 30 minutes we consider half, clear. And 3, when it is on 3 we consider it 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, student, we consider quarter, because 15 minutes means we have covered 1/4 of a total. 1/4 is the 15 minutes, and in words we can also write it as quarter. What we can write? Quarter word for 15. If it is on 3 and 9, we can consider it quarter. Clear? Now students, see. As I already told you, right hand 12 to 6 is considered past. Now understand how to write a time in 2 or 3 different ways. Here students, we are able to write a time only in 2 ways. One way is 3 o'clock. Clear? When we ask anybody what is the time, when minute hand is on 12, we call it, and 3 is on, and the shorter hand is on 3, we call it 3 o'clock. Clear? And how can we write it in a second way? 3:00. Clear? Now see this time. Here also small hand is between 2 and 3. So how we write a time? We will write it 2, because we always take a smallest number when we write us in numbers. Clear? So we write 2 after that column. Now see bigger hand. Biggest hand is on 9. So what we do now? We will multiply 9 by 5, because there are total 60 divisions. So 9, if it is on 9, so it has covered 45 minutes. 9 into 5 is equals to 45 minutes, because one number is equals to 5 divisions. Clear this thing? So 245 come. Now if I want to write in second form, how can I write? As I told you, if the minute hand, this is called minute hand, if it is between 6 to 12, we consider 2 word. Clear? And it means that only 15 minutes left to become 3, because see how many time is left to become 3? It's 2:45, and if I want to approach 3, so how many minutes left? Only 15 minutes left. So we will write it 15 minutes to 3. Or 15 minutes means what? 15 minutes means quarter. You can write 15 minutes also, quarter also. It is the same thing. Quarter to 3, because only 15 minutes left to approach 3. Clear? Or you can do one more 3. 45 is written. So you have to do what? From 60 minutes. You know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So from 60, if you minus 45, 15 minutes come. So you can write 15 minutes or quarter to, and this 2 will be increased by 1. Clear? So answer will be 2:45 or quarter to 3. Now see this one. What is the time here? See the smallest hand. It is at between 5 and 6. Clear? So we will write 5. What we write? 5 here. 5. Clear? Then see the bigger hand, it is on 3. It means 1 division is equals to 5. Then 3 divisions, 3 third number will be equals to 15, because 3 5s are 15. So it will be 5:15, or you can say that 15 minutes means quarter. As it is before 6, we will consider it past. So we write 15 minutes past 5, because whenever we write in words, firstly minutes come and then hours. And when we write in numbers, firstly hours come and then minutes. So keep this thing in mind. Clear? Now, see the time. Quarter past 5 and 5:50. Clear this thing? Now, student, we do important points. Whatever we have discussed now, we will do the important points on the behalf of it. Clear? So, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. This thing already explained you. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This thing also know. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 1 week is equals to 7 days. Clear? 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 leap year is equals to 366 days. 1 fortnight is equal to 14 days. And the hour hand complete 1 round in 12 hours. This thing already explained you. And the minute hand complete 1 round in 1 hour. And the second hand complete 1 round in 1 minute. So student, these 1 points you have to write down in your maths copy. Firstly mention lesson number 16 time, and then write down date and important point. All these points you have to copy down in your maths copy. Clear? Now student, on the behalf of important points, we will do activity 1. Question number 1, A part is already done for you. Now we will do B part. Firstly, see our hand. It is between 8 and 7. So how we write? Firstly, we write a shorter number. Shorter number is 7. Clear? Then see the minute hand. It is on 10. So it has completed how many minutes? If it is on 10, it completed 50 minutes, because one number is equals to 5 divisions. So if it is on 10, so we will multiply 10 by 5. It will be 50. So answer will be 750. Clear? So in a smaller box you write 750 in number. Clear? And in bigger box you have to write what? You have to write it in the words. As you all know that firstly minutes come. But if it is before 6 and 12, we take past. And if it is after 6, then we will consider 2. So in between 2 words come. Clear? And how much time left to become 8? Only 10 minutes left. So here come 8, because you know that when we write in words, hours come after 2. Clear? And this 50 we have to minus from 60, or you can see how many time left to become 8. 10. So you can write 10 minutes directly. Otherwise 50 you have to minus from 60. 60 minus 50, what come? 10. So there will be 10 minutes to 8. 10 minutes to 8. Clear? This thing will be more clear to you. See the B part answer. 750 and 10 minutes to 8. Now see C part. In C part, firstly see smaller hand is between 5 and 6. See here. It is between 5 and 6. Clear? So we take 5, and now see the biggest hand. It is on 9. So we will write 5:45. Now how many minutes left to become 6? Only 15 minutes left, because if I count 10, 11, 12, there are only 3 numbers left. So that 3 numbers you have to multiply by 5. It will come 15 minutes. You can write 15 minutes as quarter also. That is also correct. Quarter to 6. Clear? Now student, we do activity 1, question number 2. In this student, you have to draw the hands of the clock to show the given time. First of all, 5 o'clock is there, means smaller hand will be on 5 and bigger hand should be on 12. Clear? Now we do B part. It is 3:30. Half means what? That from total 60 minutes, it has completed half minutes. Half minutes are 30 minutes. So bigger hand mean minute hand will comes on 6 and shorter hand will be on, it should be between 3 and 4. See, like this manner we do A part and B part. Clear this thing? See this one and this one also, which I explained you. Clear? Now we do C part. Quarter to 7 means, quarter means 15 minutes. 15 minutes, when the two word is there, two word means that time is not 7, it is going to be come to 7, means now means 15 minutes left to approach 7. So we will write quarter, because 15 minutes left to become 7. So we write quarter to 7. So it is written, so smaller hand should be between 6 and 7, and quarter to, when two word is there, it means that 15 minutes before we will make a minute hand. Clear? So if we take 15 minutes before, it will comes on 9. Clear this thing? Now we come to do question number 3. As you all know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, so 3 hours will be equals to, 1 hour is 60, then 3 should be multiplied by 60, answer will be 180. Clear? Now 1 week is equals to 35, 7 days, so 5 week will be equals to 35 days, because 7 5s are 35. Clear? There are dash days in a leap year. Leap year is having how many days? 366 days. And one fortnight, as I already told you in the important point, it is having total days 14 days and weeks 2 weeks. Clear? Now student, we do see the answer. First of all, question number 3 answer, all the answer, please check it out. Now student, we do activity 2, question number 1. And this you have to write a time. Clear? How to write a time in this? You have to write a time in 3 ways. Like, firstly you have to write hours, then minutes, then seconds. Clear? So firstly, see the smaller hand. It is between 6 and 7, so you write 6, then semicolon. Then you see the minute hand. It is between 4 and 5, and you know that if it is on 4, we consider 20 division, and if it comes after 4, we will count that small lines also. If it is on 4, we consider 20, 21, 22, so it will be 22. So answer will be 4. Clear? We write it 6, 22, and second hand is at, if it is on 10, we consider it 50, 51, 52, 53. So it will be 6, 22 and 53, like this manner. That seconds we will write in the activity 3, but now you have to write minutes and hours only. So 6:22. How can we write? It is before 6, so we write past word, and in past we do no change. Mean only minutes will come first and hours will come at the end of past. In 2 we do changes. Clear? Now see this one, B part you have to see. It is shorter hand is on 1, so we write 1. And now see 9. How it has come 9? We will count small divisions are there. Now 12 to before 2. Before 2, if we count, it will be 9, because if it is on 2, there will be a 10 division, and it is 1 division less than 2. So it will be 9. So answer will be 1, 9. Clear? Now how can we write it? We will write it 9 minutes here and 1 after past. So answer will be 9 minutes past 1. Clear? Now see C part. Firstly, it is between 3 and 4. We write 3. Now see, it is between 9 and 10. If it is on 9, we consider 45, 45, 46, 47. So we will count the small lines. If we count after the number, it will be 1 division. After the number will be considered 1, then 2. Like this manner you have to count. And with that number, what the answer come of that number, if you multiply by 5, you have to plus that one 2 also. It will come 347. Clear? Now student, in it is after 6. So what you have to do? You will write 2 word here. Clear? And how much time left to become 4? 2, 4. How much time left? 13 minutes. How it comes? This 47 student, what I have done? 47 I have minus from 60. 60 minus 47. If I do, 13 minutes come. Clear? If I minus 60 and 47, I will get 13. So 13 minutes to 4 come. Clear? Now student, we do question number 2 of it. Question number 2 is draw the hands of a clock to show the given time. 3:34. Firstly, it is shorter hand will come between 3 and 4, and 34 mean 34 is, it will be before 7, one number before 7. It will come one number before 7. Clear? See, one number before 7, because if it is on 7 it will be considered 35. Now it is 34, so one number before 35 will come. Mean small division you have to count in that. Clear? And it will between 3 and 4. So answer will be like this manner. Now we do B part. It is on 9 because shorthand is on 9, and you have to see 6. How it comes 6? For 6 you know that 1, if it is on 1 we consider 5. After 1 we will take one line. Clear? That will be 9, 6. Now student, we do next one. 6, 16. So it will be between 6 and 7, and bigger hand one division after the 15. So where is 15? If it is on 3 we consider it 15. So one division after it will be first line after the 3 is considered 16. Clear? Now student, we do activity 3. In this we have to write hours also, minutes also, and second also, in same manner as we have done activity 1, 2. Clear? Firstly, small hand, shorter hand is between 4 and 5, so you write 4. Then you see minutes. Minute is between 9 and 10, and see count the division. 9 is 45, 46, 47, 48. See, first division is 41, 46, 47 and 48. So there will be 48. Now see this one. Second hand, it is after 4. 2 lines after 4. Means if it is on 4, we consider 20. Then 21, 22. So it will be 22. But when we write in words, we only use hours and minutes. 48 means, it means that how much time left to becomes 5? 12 minutes. How it comes? This 48 students we have minus from 60. Clear? So when we minus it from 60, clear, answer will come 12 minutes. And 12 minutes to 5, because you know that after 6 2 come, and when 2 come, hours is increased by 1, and minutes we always minus from 60. Clear? Similarly, we do B part and C part. Clear? So B part is, see the B part. Small hand is between 9. So we write 9, and after that bigger hand is on 5. So we write 9, 5, and then we see the second. It is on 18. So time will be 5 minutes past 9. Clear? Similarly, we do C part. C part, student, you have to try by yourself. Clear? Now we do question number 2. Question number 2 is draw the hands of a clock to show the given time. Firstly, 7:23:03 written. So firstly you have to make a hour hand like this manner. Mean it should be on 7. Then 23. It will be on 4 and 5. It should be between 4 and 5. Clear? And seconds, it will be between 12 and 1. You have to count the division. Third division line is called 3. Clear? In same manner you do B and C part. Clear? So students, today we have done activity 1, 2, 3 all, and important points regarding time. Clear? Thank you and have a nice